how to bookmark posts on Twitter. So make sure that your Twitter application is up to date. So go to the App Store. In the search bar, type in Twitter. Click on the Twitter and make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then it means that your not is not up to date. So go ahead and update your application first. Now, after updating, just open the Twitter app. Once you're in the Twitter, just look for any tweet that you want to bookmark. Then on the bottom right of the tweet, you'll see an icon with an arrow pointing to the top. So just tap on that arrow and you'll see a little pop-up window at the bottom. Just tap on the icon labeled bookmark. A notification banner will appear saying that the tweet has been added to your bookmark. Now, to look at your bookmark tweets, just tap on your profile icon on the top left, then tap on bookmarks. In here, you'll see a list of all your bookmark posts. So that is how to bookmark posts on Twitter. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.